In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create captivating video effects using CapCut's blend modes. Let's get started and turn your clips into something truly special. First things first, open CapCut on your device. You'll want to start by launching a new project. If you're new to CapCut, this might sound a little daunting, but not to worry. Starting a new project is straightforward, and it's your blank canvas ready to be filled with creativity. Once in your project space, you'll see the timeline at the bottom of your screen. This is where all the magic happens and where we'll work on transforming our raw footage. Now let's add some content. You'll need to stack 2 video clips on separate tracks in the timeline. Think of these tracks like layers on a cake. Each serves its own purpose, but together create an amazing result. Simply drag your first video clip to the first track and your second clip to the track directly above it. Once you've positioned your clips, click on the upper clip to select it. This step is essential because we'll be applying the blend mode specifically to this clip. A handy tip here, always confirm you've selected the correct clip, as blend modes will alter its visual properties significantly. Moving on, look to the right-hand panel. Here, you'll find a menu filled with a variety of tools to edit your video. You're looking for something called blend mode. Blend modes are powerful features that control how different layers interact visually with each other. By selecting it, you open up a suite of possibilities. You'll then want to choose a blending option that best suits the effect you're going for. Options like overlay, lighten, or multiply are among the most commonly used. Overlay will give you a punchy and vibrant mix of your 2 clips. Lighten will emphasize the brighter parts, while multiply will darken the overlapping areas. Don't hesitate to experiment with different modes. They each offer unique results that can dramatically change the mood and tone of your project. Finally, let's talk about opacity. Adjusting the opacity helps to ensure a seamless visual blend between the 2 clips. Think of opacity as the transparency level. Lowering it can soften the impact of your blend mode and make the transition look smooth and natural. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've learned how to use blend modes in CapCut to make your videos more dynamic and engaging. Play around with these settings and remember, practice is key to mastering these techniques. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials. Happy editing!